friends of the twins, and welcome back to the channel. This is Rhonda here. Now in today's video I'm going to be sharing with y'all my living room. I have new furniture in there, and what happened was I started to get into fall decorating today. I mean, like I've been picking up a couple things and setting a few things out a little bit, but nothing too serious. But today I was going to get kind of serious about that thing, and I said, wait a minute, I haven't even shown them my new furniture that I got. Now I'm going to show you in a clip here. You'll see what my old living room looked like. I had darker furniture, and so I decided to go with lighter furniture so that I can use all of these beautiful colors that I love, such as the navies and all that kind of thing, with the furniture that I had before. Just a darker palette, you know, it was kind of limiting, so I decided to change all the furniture to light furniture. So I was going to start showing, you know, fall decor, and I was like, wait a minute, you haven't even shown them the new furniture yet. So that's what we're going to do in today's video. I'm going to share with y'all my living room makeover, my new furniture. I hope that you will like it, and we will have fall videos coming up really soon hereafter. And actually today, y'all, I'm going to be spending the day with Shonda. We're getting ready to go out and about a little bit. We're going to go to the nail shop, and we always like to get something to eat. She loves Dairy Queen ice cream, so she likes to get the peanut butter parfait. But y'all, Shonda does not like to have the nuts on it. She doesn't want the nuts on it. And where you see if you're familiar with the peanut butter parfait, you know, they have layers of hot fudge. Well, she likes to replace those layers with peanut butter. A lot of peanut butter. So we'll probably stop and do that. And I need to run by Home Goods. I have some pillows, they're beautiful pillows, y'all. They were $34.99, so they're kind of big pillows. They're plush, gorgeous, but they don't really fit. I can't get them to fit. I bought them for my master bedroom, and I just can't. Y'all ever have things that you buy, you know, for a specific reason or room or whatever, and then you just can't pull it together? I don't know. They're beautiful pillows. I might end up keeping the pillows, but right now the plan is to take them back. Here are these beautiful pillows that I'm really seriously thinking about taking back. It kind of hurts my feelings because look at them. Aren't they gorgeous? Like a velvet, and they have that kind of gray and beige color on the back of them. Beautiful pillows, but I don't know, I just can't get them to come together like I want. So I'm kind of thinking about taking them back. I don't know. I hope that y'all will enjoy my living room makeover, and please be on the lookout for my fall videos to come. As always, friends, we want you to make the life that you live a life that you love, because life is short. And thanks so much for watching. you.